Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for reseller permit in Florida, updated. Start by determining your business type and confirming you meet Florida's resale exemption criteria. Then collect your EIN, business address, and owner information, and prepare a digital copy of your identification. Next, create a Department of Revenue online account, save your login details, and proceed to the permit application section to complete required fields accurately and submit. In this video, I will explain how to apply for reseller permit in Florida, updated. Collect your EIN or SSN, a copy of your business registration, and a valid government ID. Make sure digital files are clear and within size limits, and note any partner or owner details needed. Organize supporting documents so the online form can be completed without interruptions, which speeds approval and avoids common processing delays. In this video, I will explain how to apply for reseller permit in Florida, updated. Quick recommendation: if you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help us make more content. Also, a casual tip: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading tax forms and receipts on the go, and I've linked it in the description along with other deals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to apply for reseller permit in Florida, updated. Log in to the Department of Revenue portal, choose the sales tax or reseller permit application, and complete all sections using your prepared documents. Double-check business names, addresses, and EIN for accuracy, then electronically sign and submit the form. Save confirmation details and any reference numbers you receive for your records and future correspondence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.